Begin your day with a dive into the thrilling world of Forex trading, where every second can change the course of your financial journey. Today, we're going to uncover some advanced strategies that seasoned traders use to navigate this volatile market. First up, the position trading technique, a long-term strategy where traders hold positions for weeks or even months, relying on comprehensive analysis of economic trends and geopolitical events. Then there's the swing trading approach. It's for those who love the adrenaline rush, capitalizing on price patterns and market trends within a week. Lastly, we have scalping, an intense, fast-paced strategy where traders make numerous trades within the day, profiting from small price changes. Remember, no strategy is foolproof. Constant learning, practicing, and adapting are the keys to success. In Forex trading, fortune favors not just the brave, but the informed. So stay tuned for more insights and elevate your trading game to new heights.